hearties, and welcome back to my channel. I know I miss you guys. I miss you. I miss you. I really do. I tried to upload 3 videos last week, but your girl ain't made it, okay? So we are going to try again this week. So here we are with Sunday's video. If I don't upload a video Mondays and Wednesdays, know for sure that your girl will upload a video on Sundays, okay? Just know that for sure. But today I'm going to be washing my hair, and I have been rocking my hair underneath this wig. It feels like I've been doing it for 2 weeks straight, because that's probably why I haven't been doing any videos, because I just had my hair underneath this wig for like the whole 2 weeks. So it's looking kind of weird, but it's in a very shrunken state, I will tell you that much. But guess what? We are about to give it a wash, bring it back to life, and I'm going to take you through my step-by-step wash day routine. I know that I already did this video a million times probably, but guess what? Every time I do this video, different people watch it, you know? So sometimes you might already see it, but then like 500 other people that haven't seen my routine, they get to see it. So if you see me do multiple videos, same videos over and over, that's why, okay? Because every time they reach a different set of people. Sometimes they reach the same, but sometimes they reach a different set of people. So today I'm going to do my step-by-step rice water routine. Not how you make the rice water, okay? I already have that video like a million times, so I'm going to leave the links to those videos down in the description if you want to know how to make rice water. But today I'm just going to be showing you how I use the rice water in my hair for my wash day, and what I normally do. I was eating coconut tart, so all in my teeth is coconut flakes. But anyways, so I am going to be showing you guys what I normally do. So before I shampoo my hair, I normally go through my hair, like I'll unravel the twist, and I normally go through my hair and I kind of untangle it a little bit. I just untangle it with my fingers. Sometimes I use my brush, sometimes I just use my fingers, and I unravel it. And then once I unravel it, I retwist it. And then I go through each twist and I do the same thing. If you want to see a full video where I do this, my before wash day routine, I'll leave a link down in the description for that also. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go through each twist and just unravel it. Unravel it and detangle it a little bit. That way, while I'm shampooing it, it's not all tangled and matted. That's it. Okay, and I'm going to be shampooing my hair outside, so that I don't clog up my shower. So I'm going to be shampooing my hair outside. Besides, I like to shampoo my hair outside. It's kind of relaxing to be in nature, washing your hair, feeling the cool breeze through your scalp. Okay, see you. Bye. Okay, so I have my moringa, my rice water with moringa inside it right here, and I'm just going to add some hot water. While I shampoo my hair, I'm just going to leave that sit in there. about to wet my hair and then apply the shampoo. Okay, so I'm about to apply the rice water mixed with moringa, and this is 2 weeks old rice water, and it doesn't smell bad at all. And I just mixed it with some moringa, and it's really warm because I had it soaking in the hot water. So now I'm just going to be spraying it in my hair and then brushing it through and leaving it for like 15 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to spray each section and then I'm going to brush it through. So after I'm finished with my entire head, I go ahead and I put a shower cap on. I go underneath my dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I rinse it out, apply my conditioner, rinse that out, and then I'm all done. I let my hair air dry and I get my hair ready for styling. I do have all those steps in this video that I'm about to link right here, so go ahead and click it and watch it and enjoy. I'll also leave some links to my rice water playlist that you can see more detailed videos on all my rice water hair videos. I have lots more rice water wash day routines. I also have the recipes on how to make them, so definitely go ahead and check out those videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Forgot to mention, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.